Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix can't join Roblox game. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, try to restart your PC by going over to the start menu and selecting the power options and choose restart. After restarting, your problem will probably be solved. But if it persists, simply right click on the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner, then select Apps and Features. Let it load up and search for Roblox. Now uninstall it completely and open any type of preferred browser on your PC. Search for roblox.com, open any game and click on the play button to get access to Roblox downloading pop-up. Download the Roblox app from there or just download it from the Microsoft Store. Your problem will be solved completely. This is how you can fix can't join Roblox game. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.